Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Trezor versus Safepal. We will explore their core functionalities, security features, and user experience to help you decide which hardware wallet best suits your needs. Understanding the differences in design, supported assets, and overall ease of use is crucial for securing your digital assets effectively. This comparison will provide a clear overview, guiding you through the key aspects of each device. When it comes to security, Trezor emphasizes its open-source nature, allowing for community audits and transparency. Safepal, on the other hand, integrates a secure element chip and employs air-gapped transaction signing for enhanced protection. Both wallets offer robust security measures, but their approaches differ. They also support a broad spectrum of cryptocurrencies, ensuring you can manage most of your digital portfolio. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: just like securing your crypto, organizing your life can be simple. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof food containers. They're super handy. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Considering usability, Trezor devices are known for their straightforward interface and compact design, often featuring a small but clear display. Safepal typically offers a larger screen, which can be beneficial for navigating and scanning QR codes. In terms of cost, both brands offer different models at various price points, so you can find an option that fits your budget and desired features.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.